Hi guys, my name's Lydia Flerschinger and this is my intro video for elementary statistics. My family. I was born in Oregon in 1999. My parents moved to Kodiak, Alaska in 2001 and I have been here for 21 years. My father is a high school teacher and my mother is a homemaker. I am the third of 8 kids ranging in ages from 27 to 10. I graduated Kodiak High School in 2018, got my associate's degree from Kodiak College in 2022. My goal is to become a speech-language pathologist, and my major is in communication science and disorders with a possible minor in early childhood special education. My hobbies. I have a few hobbies that I enjoy doing, which are hiking, photography, walks on the beach, watching sports and movies, hanging out with friends and family, coffee dates, and listening to music. My adventures. Over the course of my life, I've been on some great adventures. I went to El Salvador in June 2017, which was my first time out of the United States. In 2021, I went to Hawaii for the first time, and I've been to 11 states in my lifetime. My math background, importance of elementary statistics. My math background is I completed Math 121 last year. This is my first time taking a statistics level math course. To be honest, I have a love-hate relationship with math. I like algebra a lot, but once I got to 121, it got a bit difficult for me with adding a lot of cosines, letters, or other exponents. I don't mind math, but it's not my favorite subject. One of my weaknesses is I'm a slow learner and I must watch examples or math videos more than once to get a concept down and do multiple problems to be able to master it. But I don't give up very easily and I'm willing to learn and study hard. I do want my students to enjoy math since we use it in everyday life such as cooking, finances, and to help our brains get stronger. They need to learn to be able to succeed and learn how to apply it in their life. I do believe elementary statistics is one of the most important teachers in a student's life because in elementary school is where kids learn the basics of math. When they get to 4th or 5th grade is when they learn the high basics of math and will help them when they get to middle and high school. They are the first math teachers for kids and they teach them the ways of the math world. I hope you enjoy my video and I'm looking forward to this class and I hope to learn more about the other students in class. Thanks.